Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So just want to talk about one thing, that if you have got minimum number of views, if I say 3, 5, 10, 12, so how much money can you make? So there are two kind of videos. First is videos on YouTube. First is video. Second is shorts, right? So in short, I know that it's hard to make like good amount. So it's like, for if I talk about shorts, so it is only for gaining a huge audience and to gain subscriber. If you are expecting something to make a huge amount, use some from shorts, so it's not at all possible. It would be great if you are focusing both on shorts as well as on like long video, or say videos, right? So let's go for this 399 views Google play refund trick 2024. So you can see it right here, 404 views. Let's talk about reach. So reach is 671, 3.6 hours. You can see it, point like 32 seconds average duration. Audience 6, returning viewers 342, unique audience 1 subscriber. Okay, next is revenue. So I have got around 0.01 revenue for this short video. So this is one thing. Now I would like to share, let's go for some short video with huge number of views. Okay, just looking for it if I get any. So let's check it once. Okay, we can also go for this one. Okay, so just checking it, it's 1.5k views, but reach is 4.3k reach, right? Engagement 5.5 hours, 0.12 duration average. Audience 6, returning 1.4k, unique 7 subscribers. Okay, let's talk about revenue again 0.01. So if you are getting 500, 300, or even 1000, 1500, 2000, or 2500 views on your YouTube shorts, if I'm just talking about like channels who are growing to, that are growing to, like that are trying to grow in a good manner. So channels with small audience, with say who are beginner, just beginner like me, right? So if you are getting 1000, 2500, 3000, or maybe 5000 views on your shorts, so it won't be able to make a huge sum. It will be able to make just maybe 0.03, 0.05, 0.08, or if I talk about more, so 0.10, that's it. Okay, so better you focus on both. For shorts you can gain audience, say huge audience, and number of subscriber, higher number of audience and subscribe. But if I talk about videos and your channel is monetized, then you need to focus on videos, so that even if you are getting 5 to 10 views, you can make some money. At least on a monthly basis you can cross that $100 like criteria. So yeah, so let's go for a video with less number of views. I think downside it's fine, 1720. Let's talk about above videos. If I talk about, no, like it's 26 minutes ago, let's not talk about it. 15 hours, because monetization is not updated for these videos. Let's talk about 2 days ago video. If it starts earning, let's see. So views 1.5, impressions CTR it's 1.8, then average view duration 28 seconds. Now you have seen that it's views like 5 views. Okay, let's talk about reach. Reach is 226 impressions. That is, impressions is not individual people, that is 226 इंडिविजुअल पीपल नहीं है impressions का मतलब. impressions मीन्स मे बी एक वीडियो को किसी, मतलब मे बी मेरे वीडियो को किसी एक बंदे ने 4 बार देखा होगा अगर, तो वो 4 भी impressions के अंदर जाएगा. तो impressions, don't think like 226 impressions means 226 people. It is far different from number of views. Number of views means you if you are watching my video, it's 1 view. If my friend is watching that video, my video, it's 1 view, that is 2 views total. But if you are watching my video twice and my friend is watching my video twice, so it would be 4 views, sorry, 4 impressions, right? So there is a huge difference between impressions and views. So we have seen number of views 5, impressions 226, engagement, let's see, engagement, okay, 0 hours, 28 seconds average duration, and then audience 1, returning 4 unique viewers. Okay, Let's talk about revenue 0.09, you can see. So in shorts, we saw like we got around 399, say 400 and 1500, and in many of my shorts I have got around 8,000, 32,000, 29,000 kind of number of views like 1 year back, but still they are not at all doing well. It's like $0.03, something like this. But you can clearly see it here, we have just got 5 views, reach to 20. Let's not talk about reach, let's talk about just revenue and overview of views. So overview, 5 views, and in these 5 views I have gained around $0.09. So I would suggest you to if your channel is monetized, so focus on videos with like that will cross that short videos length. Don't put shorts, only shorts video. You can post it too, I am not at all I won't suggest you to not to post it, but you can post it too. But also focus on videos with long like length, with long larger duration. It will help you to increase your revenue. So it is very useful tip. Yeah, so just wanted to share this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to come up with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye bye, take care.